Hey, what's going on? So today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a fully working OnlyFans hack. So this will let you see all the OnlyFans accounts. You don't get banned and you don't even need to subscribe. So I'm going to subscribe to this girl, and as you can see, one of the options is developer mode. So I'm going to press that, and as you can see, it will bypass the payment. So there we go. We can see everything for free. So I'm going to do that for you guys now. How do you get this app, you're asking? Well, to do that, you just want to go to your browser and type in matrixmods.com. So on this website, guys, go to the search bar and type the name of the app. So let me just do that right here. So just going to type in OnlyFans. Press download, and then the final step is the verification, guys. You have to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. As you can see, so it's going to say missing files. So you just want to download 2 of these apps. You don't have to do all of them, but like Underdog Fantasy says down and run for 30 seconds, so I could do that. Or I could do like Scanner app, Moto Casino, DraftKings. So yeah, try it out for yourself, guys. But that's how to get the OnlyFans mod, so you can watch all accounts for free. They can't ban you for doing this, by the way. So as you can see, guys, we can see all the posts without banning. So that is so cool. And all you have to do to get it is complete this stupid verification, which is easy, bro. It's literally just downloading 2 of these apps. Now, there may be different apps depending where you live, but just make sure you download 2 of them and you're going to be good to go. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, definitely subscribe to the channel if you guys want to get OnlyFans hacked, because in the future, I'm going to release some more videos like this. So stay down and dirty and waiting, because I'm producing more. But yeah, guys, that's how I get OnlyFans free account access, so you can't get banned. As you can see, I can see everything, guys. So hope you enjoyed it. I don't have any problem sharing this with you guys, but yeah, peace out. This is really cool and it fully works.